bumalik muna kami sa holding room namin kasi umuulan ng malakas. At hindi natuloy yung welcome walk. Magpo-proceed na lang kami sa orientation mamayang 2. Malakad ulit kami sa Kipag. Alright. Touchdown. Hindi pa ako nag-intro. Ay kayo guys.
Go, step, go, step, go, step, go, 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 step, go, step, go, step, go, 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 step, go, step, go, step, go, go, go. Right, so before we move on behalf of the USC Yellow Jackets, we would like to welcome you to their new home. Welcome to the home of the Browning Tigers. Unleash your Tiger spirit, and we hope to see you in the sea of yellow food. Welcome to the cheer, ang ever iconic. Pinaka-nakakakilabot sa malaking UAAP.
Uwi na tayo. Charal, welcome back na! Double time! Double time! Double time! Double time! Takbo! 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 Oh my God.
Very sporty, very on the top, no?
Ayun na! Ayun na!
And actually, kahit pagod na din sila dahil umuulan, naglalakad, at maraming festivities, they don't forget
Oh my
to
God.
put on a smile on our faces right at the
Few seconds lang.
Pagod na ako.
Sino yun?
Ikaw.
Thank you.